Again, as a Bagong Coronadal Queen, how do you define leadership and what qualities do you believe are essential for effective leadership?
Thank you. As a Lakambini ng Coronadal candidate, and if I will win the crown tonight, I always want to be a beacon of hope and light. I will help initiate and help implement programs or projects designed to promote general welfare, development, and empowerment of people of Coronadal. Because what we need today is a leader who has the power to empower others. And actually, I have to propose this one, the power of voice, the power of mind, and the power of action, because we always want that. The power of mind to always think what's the best for the community. The power of voice to always have to spread awareness, and the power of action to make a difference. Because the leader we need today is not just an asset, and not just liability, but as an asset of today. Because we need a leader who is just like this city, a small leader with the big dreams. Madam nga salamat!